Man, it has been insane. This market and this year definitely has been one of the best in my career. But, with a lot of things going on in my personal life and, as busy as I am in my career, as some of you guys may know who know me personally know that I recently just had a son. And so as beautiful and as amazing as that is, it doesn't leave a lot of time for work. But we are still at it, and it's been hard to showcase you guys some of my listings that I've had recently sold because they're either tenant occupied, owner occupied, or sell really quickly, or it's been difficult to show you some of the purchases that my clients have made, but not in this video. In this video, we're back at it. I'm going to show you guys a purchase of a 3-story townhome in Fort Lauderdale near Las Olas. I think that my client bought it at a fantastic price given the current market value, and we'll talk about the details about this property soon. But yeah, just wanted to fill you guys in because I know a lot of people ask me if I do real estate outside of Miami, and I do general real estate in the South Florida market, which includes and encompasses Fort Lauderdale and Broward. So if you guys are interested in that type of real estate and want to know more about it, then obviously reach out to me and my team, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. And as always, before we get started, make sure you like this video, help me out with some engagement. YouTube rewards engagement, so that rewards my channel. So like, subscribe, and comment and all that good stuff, and let's get started. All right, guys, welcome to this beautiful 3-story townhome, which in a minute I'm about to show you, and we'll start the property tour. But real quick, this townhome is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's 3 stories, as I mentioned, around 1,600 square feet. And I completely love the look and the feel of the home. The seller did a lot of changes and small upgrades that I think went a long way. And those key features definitely were something that my client and the buyer was very interested in. But in terms of location, which is probably the most interesting thing about this home, is its close proximity to Las Olas. We're about 2 miles from Las Olas, and the general Fort Lauderdale area and the Las Olas areas has seen a lot of population increase and a lot of development, especially in that downtown Fort Lauderdale area, which has brought a lot of interest and a lot of demand in this neighborhood, and definitely for properties similar to a townhome or a single family home. So with that being said, we just closed on this for $485,000, which to me, I feel that's a steal because a lot of townhomes and single family homes are going way above that in this current market. And given where I do see the Miami and this general South Florida market going in the next couple months, in the next couple years, I do feel that there's a lot of appreciation to be had in a type of property like this. So you'll all see that now. One of the cool things about this home that I do feel, aside from it being a corner unit, is the type of feel and look that you get in this villa-esque type of property. It almost gives me that Florida Keys vibe. If you guys are familiar with Florida Keys, let me know in the comment section below. But it does give you that island beachy feel. It's probably because it's so close to Las Olas. That's my thoughts on it. But either way, let me get started with this property tour because there's plenty to show you. So I'm excited to show you this property. And as always, if you guys have any comments, let me know in the comment section below, or any questions rather, and I'll be happy to answer them. So without further ado, let's get started. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like today's property tour video and want to see more, then click on any of the videos you see here on screen or head over to my channel and check out my property tour playlist. Subscribe to the channel for more weekly Miami real estate content, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For everyone else, I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching, and God bless.